Hello friends, welcome to my channel Saira's Creations, and today I'm here with another sewing project. In our today video, I'm gonna teach you how we're gonna replace a zipper on this sweatshirt or jacket. Um, this zipper is a broken from couple parts and it's not closing smoothly. So this zipper length 26 inches wide. So I have a new zipper in my hand, and simply I just gonna teach you how we simply can replace old zipper into new zipper. So the first step which we're gonna do, we just have to use our seam ripper, and we're gonna open all the old seams on our zipper. So that means we have to separate our old zipper from this jacket. So let's go ahead and start it. As you can see, I have opened one side zip already from top to bottom, and you can see we have a two layers here. So I gonna open other side and then I will be back. Alright, so after removing our old zip, we gonna place new zipper, and I gonna show you two easy technique you can place with the pins. And if you are a beginner, you can use underwonder tape. Simply you can just use tape on the side and just attach, and then you can sew. That will give you easy access to move your fabric, together with the zipper. But I just gonna use the pins, as it's not a complicated stuff. I had show you we have a two layers for our zip. So simply we're gonna tuck this inside of this opening. This zip is better than the other one we had before on this jacket, because this is really As you can see, we have attached one side zip on the back is also is attached, so that's pretty good. I'm gonna do same thing with other thing, and then we will start sewing. So first I'm gonna change my presser foot. I'm using zipper foot. They have a both sides. If you are zip on this side, you can change your needle on this side. If it's this side, you can use this one. So this is very like easy. All right. All right. So as you can see, and we're gonna attach on the other side too, and then I will be back. Alright friends, as you can see, we have put new zip on our this sweat jacket, and this one is very smooth, better than previous one. If you really like this video, please give this video thumbs up, subscribes to my YouTube channel Saira's Creations, and happy fall to you all. God bless you all. Have a fabulous day. Bye bye.